si Mayor Inday gusto niya maging president?
Well, he has she has all the assets and capabilities. We're going to search to be a good leader, very consistent, and digamos, other leadership, they're trying to move forward. He come from good leadership. He's an owner, is very it's very satisfactory, no? So, you've been re-elected so many times, so the people love it, and love what she's doing.